Today on TechCited, we're going to cover 3 very exciting news. GoPro just released their new GoPro Hero 10 Black. RayBan partnered with Facebook to come out with their very own new RayBan Stories smart glasses. Last but not least, leaks and rumours about the DJI Mavic 3. If all this don't excite you, nothing will. But if you are, you want to stick around. Number 1, the GoPro Hero 10. Starting with the hardware and aesthetics, the GoPro Hero 10 Black features blue accents such as the fonts compared to the 9 which was mainly in white. And if you have been leaking or even putting your wax on the previous GoPro lenses, you don't have to do it now as the new coating on the lens makes it hydrophobic, meaning no water droplets will be able to stick on your lens and cover your footage. As for the hardware, it features a brand new GP2 processor that allows you to process data much faster. It can also record now in 5.3K, in 60 FPS or 4K in 120 FPS, which is double what GoPro Hero 9 has. As for taking stills, it can now take up to 23 megapixels if you ever need to take some photo with it. This new hardware also translates to the front screen, making it much more responsive as you will no longer experience lag when you are vlogging with the camera. In terms of software, they have also improved their hyper smooth stabilization to 4.0, increasing the horizon lock from 27 degrees to 45 degrees. Now if you do not know what is that, it basically keeps your footage leveled, further stabilizing your footage when there are vigorous movements during motorsports or even surfing. No matter the shape, it locks your horizon level, making the footage much more pleasant to watch. Other smaller improvements include performance in low light and live streaming. It's extremely easy now to do live streaming on the GoPro Hero 10. The other improvements won't interest you as much, but if you're interested, I'll link it down in the description below for you to check them out. As for the price, it comes in at $399 and $359 if you choose their subscription model, which comes with a few accessories. Number 2, RayBan is working with Facebook to come up with their very own new RayBan Stories smart glasses. A few highlights of these smart glasses is that it features a 5 megapixel camera, touch controls at the side of the frame, and a small earpiece or speaker at the side to be able to listen to music. The retail sets also comes with a few things, and especially a charging case to allow you to charge it on the go. Needless to say, working with Facebook has advantages, especially posting to Facebook stories. It is now so seamless to post photos or videos directly to the Facebook platform. In terms of designs, it comes in 3 frame designs with up to 5 different colors and comes in at about $299 each. In my opinion, it's not the first time wearable technology has been introduced, but certainly the touch controls and the audio functions are something very new. RayBan as a brand has a very good reputation and their designs look very nice. The camera on these particular smart glasses are also not obvious, and the overall look and design of this also appeals so much better than other glasses that are out there. If you have been enjoying this video so far, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Last but not least, news and leaks about the DJI Mavic 3. So there'll be 2 sources of rumours that we'll be covering. Let's cover first the one that is from Photo Rumours. Now on Photo Rumours, they have just released a few renders of the possible 3rd generation of the Mavic Pro. As you can see, one of the versions of the Mavic comes with 2 cameras, one on the top and one at the bottom, and the other comes with 1 large camera. The version with the 2 cameras features a small 7x zoom lens and a larger 24mm 2.8 lens, while the other version comes with a larger lens which features 8K and the ability to have 6x zoom, which will most likely come with at least a 1-inch sensor. I personally think all these designs is definitely very possible, as most cameras out there will have at least 3 lenses at the back. And if you remember, DJI Mavic 2 has 2 versions, the zoom and the 1-inch version. So these designs are highly possible. Our second source of the DJI Mavic 2 comes from the Tech Advisor, and here are the rumored specs. As for the price, it's rumored to be about $999 for the zoom version and $1,499 for the 1-inch version. If you enjoyed this episode of TechCited, do remember ring the bell notification over here so you'll be updated of the next upload. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.